to Chattanooga, boy, had $1 and a dime. Headed out for Nashville on the Hard Rock Line. I'm working on that old steamboat and I learned to rob and steal. When my feet had touched dry land, how happy I did feel. Been saving every penny for to make up through the fall. Working for that dollar, but it never adds up at all. But coming around the riverbank, heard the old train whistle sing. The very next thing you hear from me, I've been tied to a ball and chain. Well, come this time tomorrow, reckon I don't know where I'll be. But if it wasn't for that old sheriff, I'd be back in Tennessee, playing cards and crap games, not looking for the score. And if I ever get back home again, I'll never roam no more.
Adjust the clutches to where they were before. Don't go to the right in front, you've gone on their way back. Take the first couple just to get into it, because you've had half an hour off. When you're ready, you can go. At the start,
okay.
Going a bit too fast.
Okay.
Just slow it down a bit,
yeah.
Like you're on gravel, and
yeah.
that should.
Okay. Yeah. Did I give too much gas?
Oh, that was amazing.
It was amazing, wasn't it?
The only thing you did was shut the throttle. I'd have just kept it.
I just get scared.
It was smooth.
Yeah.
It wasn't scary, was it? It floated up and you went, no.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
You keep doing that.
Cool.
Yeah, man, nice.
Thank you.
Your clutch is perfect.
Is it?
It is.
So why did it?
No. Right, clutch is perfect. Yeah. On your next set of runs, 2% more power.
Okay.
Just fraction
more
and
power.
build it up slowly.
Okay.
That don't change.
Okay.
That is perfect.
Cool. That was amazing.
I could hear you go, oh shit! Right. So
myself.
everything was perfect until you clutched and then you added more power. It was only a little bit, but enough so it was nice and smooth and then went up really quick. So then you have to cut the throttle.
Yeah.
So like I say, just nice like stone.
Okay.
But
good. I screwed it up.
No, that's fine. Do you know what happened?
I give gas to...
No, gas was good, but your clutch, you went whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
We heard the clutch go
Double,
twice, so
yeah.
you went, no, not quite hard. So it's
That's why I
one
didn't lift,
Yeah.
because I put the clutch inside again.
Yeah, you literally went
Yeah,
instead of an in, out, and
Okay.
up.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Other than that, really well, mate.